Welcome to a new level of industrial automation. Introducing uPathWay, the comprehensive AI-based platform for managing and optimizing mobile robots and autonomous vehicles. With an intuitive interface, you can control devices, plan missions, and monitor operations, regardless of the type of mobile platform, manufacturer, or model. Targeted to any industrial sector and to your needs. uPathWay allows you to automate repetitive tasks, reduce errors and improve accuracy, and minimize human intervention in hazardous tasks. uPathWay is your ally in transforming the industry. Precise navigation based on GPS positioning, scalability to integrate more robots and vehicles according to your needs, and greater operational efficiency with cost savings. Thanks to continuous monitoring and real-time analysis, uPathWay ensures the optimal performance of your assets. Monitor statuses, reports, and key metrics to make informed decisions at all times. Discover how to take automation to the next level with uPathWay, your ally for a more efficient, safe, and scalable industry. Designed for any industrial sector and tailored to your needs.